Mel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers. Here are the updated placements of our Filipina beauty queens on the international stage. Let's continue to celebrate their hard work, dedication, and the pride they bring to every Filipino supporting across the globe. Here are our Team Philippines 2025. For Miss Environment 2025, Philippines is the winner, Ariana Pantaleon. For Miss Tourism International, Philippines is first runner-up by Christine Eds Enero. Reina Hispano-Americana 2025, Philippines is the winner by Dia Mate. Miss Asia Pacific 2025, Philippines, first runner-up, Anita Rose Gomez. Miss Intercontinental 2025, Christina Van Heplin, to be announced. Miss Global 2025, Philippines, fourth runner-up, Sena Ramos. And now, Face of Beauty 2025, Philippines, winner, Nikki Buenafe. Miss Charm 2025, top 20, Cyril Payumo. Miss Globe 2025, Annabelle McDonald, top 11. Miss Eco International 2025, Alexi Brooks, winner. Miss Cosmo 2025, to be announced, Chelsea Fernandez. Miss Aura International 2025, winner, Krishnan Alebre. Miss Supranational 2025, third runner-up, Tara Valencia. Miss Grand International 2025, winner, Emma Mary Tiglao. Miss Earth 2025, top 8, Joy Barcoma. Miss International 2025, fourth runner-up, Mirna Esguera. Miss World 2025, top 8, Krishna Gravides. And Miss Universe 2025, third runner-up, Maria Atisa Manalo. Thank you so much and congratulations to Team Philippines for a job well done. Talagang you bring pride and honor to our country, the Philippines. And of course, sa lahat ng ating mga supporters, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng inyong suporta at ng inyong pagboto para sa ating mga kandidata. Nawa ay patuloy natin silang suportahan hanggang sa susunod pang mga taon at mga bagong representative ng ating bansa. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa ating channel dahil patuloy po tayong magbibigay ng mga updates tungkol sa ating international pageants at sa pagbibigay ng suporta para sa mga Pinay Beauty Queens. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.